Day 2 of the national examinations saw a sigh of relief as the government moved swiftly to resolve the logistical hiccups witnessed on day 1, including delays in delivering exams materials to some centres. Education Principal Secretary Julius Bitok says the inaugural KPSEA and KJSEA exams are now running smoothly, even as concerns linger over delayed government funding and a rise in cases of teenage pregnancies among candidates. Sandrine Kilemi with that.
Very good.
After a shaky start to the national exams on Monday, calm has returned to examination centres across the country. Speaking in Kajiado North Sub-County during the opening of exam containers, Principal Secretary for Basic Education Julius Bitok said logistical challenges that disrupted the first day, including the lack of exam materials in some centres, have now been resolved.
For yesterday, we had a few hiccups here and there, but we were able to resolve them. Like, for example, in some centers, there were 1 or 2 papers missing here and there, but NEC moved quickly to ensure that every center had enough papers for the candidates.
Bitok has called on security agencies to stay on high alert and reinforce patrols around exam centers to safeguard the integrity of the tests.
And we have asked our stakeholders, our sub-county directors, our county directors, to ensure that they do their best to ensure that we deliver a credible exam.
But as the exams proceed, schools continue to grapple with delayed government capitation, leaving many head teachers struggling to run basic operations. Meanwhile, in Igembe, Meru County, a different challenge is unfolding. The Igembe region has emerged as one of the leading areas in cases of teenage pregnancies, with Nyambene Level 4 Hospital currently hosting 17 young girls who are sitting their grade 6 KPSEA exams.
Kwa sasa wale ambao wanafanya KPSEA tuko na watoto 17 ambao ni wa grade 6 ambao wamelazwa wakiwa na watoto. So ni changamoto kubwa sana kwa jamii, na ni vizuri sisi wote tukae chini tuulizane maswali, nini nasababisha hii na ni namna gani tutaweza kudeal na hiyo janga.
The KJSEA candidates will be tested in 12 learning areas, while the KPSEA candidates will be tested in 5 learning areas. The outcome of the KJSEA exam accounts for 60% of a student's final score and will be used for placement into senior secondary school based on chosen career pathways. Sandrine Kilemi, TV 47.